Language focus. Subject-verb agreement. Special cases. Countable nouns. Countable nouns can be used in the singular and the plural forms. They are used with the following words: a, an, the, any, some, few, a few, many, how many, a lot of, lots of, one, two, and so on. Examples: The Prisoner of Zenda is a novel. He read 3 novels last week. How many books have you bought? Some children are having a picnic in the park. There aren't many cars on the road this morning. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are usually in the singular form, but they can't be pluralized. They can't be used with a or an. They are used with the following words: some, any, a lot of, lots of, much, little, a great deal of, how much, and so on. They are always used with a singular verb. Examples: I drank little water. She put a little salt in the food. How much did you pay for that shirt? He has given me some useful advice. Most information on the internet is in English. Categories of uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns can be put in some groups or categories. They are liquids, like water, coffee, oil, and milk. Subjects, like science, history, religion, and biology. Sports, football, tennis, handball, hockey. Abstract nouns, like freedom, democracy, justice, equality. Gases, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Languages: English, Arabic, French, Italian. Activities: shopping, vacuuming, reading, studying. Meals: breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper. Natural phenomena: snow, thunder, lightning, rain. And some other nouns like luggage, baggage, garbage, rubbish, information, knowledge, furniture, equipment, money, traffic, work, electricity, news, advice, and so on. Important notes. Some uncountable nouns can be preceded by a or an when they are preceded by an adjective. She had a good education. The word education is uncountable noun, but it's in this sentence preceded by a good because good is an adjective. Some nouns can be countable or uncountable with a difference in meaning. Some of these nouns are paper, glass, coffee, time, cold, light, orange, iron. I'm going to buy a paper. I'm going to buy some paper. The first sentence, I'm going to buy a paper. The word paper here is a countable noun, and it's preceded by a, but here it means a newspaper. But I'm going to buy some paper. Here we deal with the word paper as writing paper, material. Have you got any coffee? Could I have 2 coffees? The first sentence, have you got any coffee? Here we are talking about the material. But could I have 2 coffees? Here we mean 2 cups of coffee. Nouns which refer to groups can be used with a singular or a plural verb. Some of these nouns are team, committee, family, class, army, company, couple, crew, crowd, gang, group, navy, population, staff, university. The home team is winning the match. Here we are talking about the home team or the word team as one group. The team are traveling tonight to their next match. Here we deal with the word team as members. So here we can use singular or plural verb according to what we mean from the noun. Clothes, goods, troops, arms, remains, police, people, and cattle are always used with a plural verb. The police are looking for 2 terrorists. We can't say the police is. Although the following nouns end with s, they are considered singular, and so they take a singular verb. Athletics, politics, gymnastics, mathematics, math, news, economics, statistics, physics, genetics, classics, electronics. As we say, politics was my best subject at school or at university. Athletics is my favorite sport. Expressions of quantity, money, time, price, distance, weight, and temperature are used as singular. So they take a singular verb. 10 million pounds is a lot of money. 50 liters of petrol fills my car. 5 kilometers is a long way to walk. We can use participles with uncountable nouns as follows. We can say a piece of jewelry, a piece of furniture, a piece of luggage, a piece of information, a slice of cake, a slice of cheese, a loaf of bread, a jar of jam, a cup of coffee, a glass of lemonade, a tube of toothpaste, a bar of soap, a sheet of paper, a bottle of milk, a bar of chocolate, a piece of advice, a bowl of soup. Study these sentences. She doesn't need much money. Did you buy much sugar? The word much is used in the negative or in the question. And the same with many. He didn't see many places in London. Did you invite many people to your party last week? And if you want to use any of them in the affirmative form, we use so or to. There's so or too much sugar in my coffee. I have too many friends. I have a little money. I have little money. The difference between little and a little. The word a little means enough, but little without a means not enough. And the same with a few and few. He has a few books, and he has few books. His trousers are dirty. A pair of trousers doesn't cost much money. Here, the word trousers in these two sentences is used as singular and as plural, according to its way of use. When we talk about trousers, without saying a pair of, it must be used with a plural verb. His trousers are dirty. But when we say a pair of trousers, we say doesn't, because we talk about a pair, only one pair. A means of transport is, because the word means can be singular and plural. Means of transport are. Here we use the word means as plural. Her hair is black. The hair which covers the head is uncountable, so we say is. I found 2 hairs in my soup. Here we are talking about the separate hairs. Choose the correct answer. How much, many, long, little people are there in the team? How many seconds is, are, were, would there in an hour? 10 kilometers have, been, is, are a long way to run. Would you like some, much, a, any cup of tea? One of the pages in the book is, are, were, have been torn. He didn't take some, many, much, little photographs yesterday. Ali was listening to a, many, one, some music. We didn't do a, much, many, some shopping last week. I still have a little, much, one, a few things to do. I'm going to buy some, a few, 2, or 1 bread. Now, check your answers. Find the mistake in each of the following sentences, then write them correctly. How much coffees have you bought today? How much coffee have you bought today? Do we have a rice left? Do we have any or much rice left? How many money do you need for your holiday? How much money do you need for your holiday? 50 degrees are a very high temperature. 50 degrees is a very high temperature. Athletics were my father's favorite sport. Athletics was my father's favorite sport. My clothes is very expensive. My clothes are very expensive. The people in our group was watching the film. The people in our group were watching the film. Hurry! There is not many time left. Hurry! There is not much time left. 2 5-pound notes is on the table. 2 5-pound notes are on the table. The police is chasing the suspect. The police are chasing the suspect. Thanks for listening with Nafham. Learn easily and simply.